Good morning, everybody. This is Michael at FOUCH FABS. It's Monday, February 31st, I think. And we are at our first install for the week. This is one of my builders who've been with us since day one. Father and son team, Roger Hass. They're good Christian people. Some of the nicest people you'll ever meet. Just like always, we're gonna, give them the best possible job we can, and they're remodeling this whole place, I think. So they're probably gonna redo the floors, but we still cover them up, double check and make sure templates fit good and all that. And they're also gonna get full height backsplash afterwards. So we'll be templating for that after we install the perimeter. Yep, that's about it, guys. I will try to touch base with you throughout if I run into anything and just kind of show you what we do. Alright, guys, so the cabinets are a little out of level. It's just an older place and they're remodeling it, and the builder told me he struggled with it. So what we're doing is we're cutting pieces of wood and we're just going to build up this cabinet. That way it's not just a ton of shims, and we won't silicone it on the face either. That way if they want to paint it, they can paint it and it'll look nice. So we just try to go above and beyond for our builders. Alright, guys, we are kind of finishing up the perimeter install here. I just top polished the seams behind the sink, and Tony and Alan have been working on my full height backsplash for me. Just did a short on that. This is Alan. I don't think any of you guys know him, but everybody should know Tony. He's been here forever. So I'm going to do another little short for this full height. So anytime you have a seam, I top polish the front of it, and depending on the job and how the customer is, I may surface polish the top. I did on this one, but anytime you have a farm sink, you want to make sure that you tape that around any area that you're going to be polishing. That way your pad doesn't hit the sink. If it does, hit anything down there, it'll hit the tape. So just a heads up on that. Alright, everything's complete. The tops are sealed, caulked out, full height backsplash is templated. Seams are cleaned up back here. Surface polished them, put my base coat, which is a light gray, and then secondary coat was a darker gray. And then of course I spotted it up with black. Shimmed the sink up, caulked it out underneath. Dishwasher bracket installed. Cleaned everything up real good. All in all, good install. Drilled the faucet hole there. Even though it is getting full height, we still always put some painter's caulk on there. That way if they use it before we get to full height, the owner spills something on it, it won't go down in their cabinets and everything. All the stuff that goes in the sink, we leave it over here with our aftercare sheet. That way they can hook up their plumbing and all that and it won't be in the way. But that's it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. The hardest thing about this job was just getting everything level across for the sink and for the stove area. Making sure we had our 30 inches over there. But all in all, everything went pretty good. On this one here, you can see I went outside and found some wood. And I just built the cabinet up with some wood rather than putting them a bunch of shims in there. And as you can see, we didn't caulk out from the outside, we did it from the inside, and that way they can paint that later if they want. So all in all, pretty good. Alright guys, we're back to put the full height in at this job. Just kind of wanted to give you a refresher of what it looked like before the full height. And we're going to get it installed. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Alright guys, we're finished up here. It actually went pretty good. It didn't take us too long. I guess about an hour and a half or so. I had to modify just a couple pieces, but all in all, I think it turned out well. I had a comment, somebody said, full height on Luna Pearl, like there's something against that. I'm guess he was alluding to you have to buy the freaking $100 square foot stone to get full height, and logically that just don't make no sense. I mean, why can you not get full height on Luna Pearl? Should you get tile and pay more for tile and have somebody else come in and lay the tile instead of having a nice clean look? I mean, keyboard freaking tough guys or whatever. I don't know. But anyway, this is what it is, guys. We're done. Thanks for watching.